Welcome to 3 Minute Stocks, Value Investing. Here we will discuss today top 10 stocks to buy now for the long term returns. Okay, let's get started. Disclaimer. Okay, now we'll start with our stocks. The first stock is in telecommunications, as you expect, it's Bharti Airtel. So, Bharti Airtel Limited, it's the second largest telecom company in India. As you know, it's growing every day, day by day. It's expanding its services in broadband, 5G, etc., in digital platforms, and it's a worldwide network in Africa, etc. So we'll discuss all these stock specific details in upcoming videos. So as we have time limited, I'll skip it now. Now the second stock is from life insurance, HDFC Life. Everyone is concerned about protecting their lives, covering their buying a policy. So life insurance makes a good money in these times. So HDFC Lives will be a good opportunity to buy now. Next one is in banking sectors, ICICI Bank, the largest private lender. So it will be a good opportunity. We'll have around 40% upside. Now it is trading at 345. So we have the 500 as a target. And next, chemicals, agrochemicals, Rallis India. So Rallis India is a very good opportunity. It is a Tata company. So we have healthy monsoons. So we have good buying in the chemicals, pesticides, fertilizers, etc. So the Rallis India will lead that space. It is a runner-up in the agrochemical sector. Here also we have a good margin, good profit. Okay. All these targets will be met by within 3 months to 6 months. But these stocks you can hold for long-term returns like 5 years, etc. The next one is Deepak Nitrite in specialty chemicals and pigments area. After Navin Fluorine, Deepak Nitrite, and these two stocks will be a good opportunity in specialty chemicals area because China left over the making of chemicals due to pollution. So India rising to the occasion and taking this opportunity. So now India becoming the global leader in specialty chemicals manufacturing. Here also we have a good margin to buy. The next one is pharmaceuticals, Biocon. As you already know, after the big companies Sun Pharma, Divi's Labs, etc., these Biocon are like mid-cap stocks, which will be a good margin and good profits for us. So, due to the COVID-19 health disruptions, the pharmaceuticals companies are rising to the occasion. So, India can be the global leader in pharmaceutical, as already it is a global leader, but it can only make the billion doses which are needed for the world. So these billion doses are made by these companies. So definitely they will give good returns for us. The next one is ITC from the FMCG sector. Everyone considering ITC as a tobacco company, but not. So it's moving into the FMCG sector. So buying the food and business finished goods sectors, it will be a good opportunity. The next one is oil to telecom business, Reliance Industries. As Mukesh Ambani said in his AGM, so Reliance made the 5G in India. So as we know, the future of the telecom is 5G. So Reliance will have a good opportunity, and its retail business is also going good. So based on that, Reliance Industries will also be a good opportunity, but we have a less margin, only a 20 to 25% of margin at the end of the year also, but it will have a good opportunity to grow more due to the only our instrument is in Geo. So Geo will have a very huge margins which will give good profits for the company. Ninth one is in the healthcare, Metropolis Healthcare. So chain of diagnostic labs based in Mumbai. So Metropolis Healthcare. So as you know, due to the COVID related disruptions, everyone is these testing labs are crucial for testing the COVID-19, and it won't end now. So it will take some time, like a year, at least 6 months it will take. So all this time, these companies will make good profits in the next coming quarters. These companies show sometimes like double digit growth in profits. These things are also we consider for good profits. And the 10th one is from IT sector, HCL Technologies. After TCS, Infosys, and Wipro, HCL Technologies is a global leader in IT services, and in India, it's a homegrown brand, HCL Technologies. It will be in the top 10 brands with the trust in IT services. So it will have a good opportunity due to it won't have any disruptions due to COVID. So all the employees working from home, they have a good business going on. I think it will be a good opportunity to take this stock. HCL Technologies also here, but we have a less margin, but it's okay. So I have given 10 stocks from 10 different sectors. So we have given well diversification to all the sectors and taken the best stock in each and every sector. Only best stock for long term returns. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like my explanation. I have, because we have time limits, I have given only a just a brief info of the company. In the upcoming videos, I will take each company and give full explanation to each company, why we have selected that company, what is the logic behind that, and how much returns that company can give us. Okay, this is our Telegram group, Telegram channel, t.me/3minute stocks. Please join in the Telegram channel for the updates. I will give good companies which will give good profit returns, only the best companies in the Nifty 100 only. And for any advice, feedback sessions, contact me in this through this email, 3minutesstocks@gmail.com. Here, okay, that's it. Thank you. We'll touch up later.